Purple.
Purple.
Purple signifies creativity and imagination. Turquoise.
Turquoise.
Turquoise represents serenity and peace. Lavender.
Lavender.
Lavender symbolizes tranquility and beauty. Magenta.
Magenta.
Magenta signifies creativity and originality. Cyan.
Cyan.
Cyan evokes freshness and clarity. Teal.
Teal.
Teal symbolizes sophistication and calmness. Maroon.
Maroon.
Maroon represents confidence and empowerment. Amber.
Amber.
Amber conveys warmth and energy. Ivory.
Ivory.
Ivory symbolizes elegance and refinement. Crimson.
Crimson.
Crimson evokes strong emotions and passion. Peach.
Peach.
Peach represents warmth and approachability. White.
White.
White represents purity and simplicity. Mint green.
Mint green.
Mint green symbolizes freshness and renewal. Rust.
Rust.
Rust represents strength and resilience. Ruby.
Ruby.
Ruby conveys passion and vitality. Sapphire.
Sapphire.
Sapphire represents wisdom and royalty. Tan.
Tan.
Tan symbolizes reliability and grounding. Charcoal.
Charcoal.
Charcoal evokes sophistication and mystery. Orchid.
Orchid.
Orchid symbolizes beauty and refinement. Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon evokes warmth and comfort. Brick red.
Brick red.
Brick red symbolizes strength and endurance. Blue.
Blue.
Blue symbolizes peace and tranquility. Green.
Green.
Green represents growth and harmony. Red.
Red.
Red evokes passion and energy. Orange.
Orange.
Orange brings warmth and enthusiasm. Yellow.
Yellow.
Blue symbolizes peace and tranquility. Pink.
Pink.
Pink symbolizes love and compassion. Brown.
Brown.
Brown represents stability and reliability. Gray.
Grey.
Gray conveys neutrality and balance. Silver.
Silver.
Silver represents modernity and elegance. Gold.
Gold.
Gold symbolizes wealth and success. Beige.
Beige.
Beige conveys warmth and comfort. Olive.
Olive.
Olive represents peace and harmony. Burgundy.
Burgundy.
Burgundy signifies depth and sophistication. Navy blue.
Navy blue.
Navy blue represents trust and reliability. Coral.
Coral.
Coral evokes warmth and emotional healing. Indigo.
Indigo.
Indigo signifies intuition and perception. Chartreuse.
Chartreuse.
Chartreuse represents creativity and energy. Rose.
Rose.
Rose symbolizes beauty and affection. Violet.
Violet.
Violet represents spirituality and imagination. Salmon.
Salmon.
Salmon evokes warmth and comfort. Lilac.
Lilac.
Lilac represents serenity and youthfulness. Periwinkle.
Periwinkle.
Periwinkle evokes calm and gentleness. Plum.
Plum.
Plum represents mystery and luxury. Slate gray.
Slate grey.
Slate gray represents intelligence and reliability. Khaki.
Khaki.
Khaki represents practicality and earthiness. Chocolate.
Chocolate.
Chocolate represents comfort and indulgence. Mustard.
Mustard.
Mustard signifies warmth and creativity. Saffron.
Saffron.
Mustard signifies warmth and creativity. Sand.
Sand.
Sand symbolizes comfort and simplicity. Azure.
Azure.
Azure represents clarity and calmness. Cream.
Cream.
Cream conveys softness and purity. Emerald.
Emerald.
Emerald represents growth and abundance. Fuchsia.
Fuchsia.
Fuchsia evokes passion and energy. Lemon.
Lemon.
Lemon represents freshness and joy. Copper.
Copper.
Copper symbolizes wealth and durability. Honey.
Honey.
Honey represents warmth and sweetness. Jade.
Jade.
Jade signifies peace and wisdom. Mauve.
Mauve.
Mauve symbolizes youth and elegance. Ultramarine.
Ultramarine.
Ultramarine represents depth and mystery. Pistachio.
Pistachio.
Pistachio represents creativity and freshness. Denim.
Denim.
Denim conveys strength and simplicity. Sky blue.
Sky blue.
Sky blue symbolizes freedom and peace. Amethyst.
Amethyst.
Amethyst represents spirituality and calm. Lime.
Lime.
Lime evokes energy and freshness. Champagne.
Champagne.
Champagne symbolizes celebration and luxury. Flax.
Flax.
Flax represents simplicity and nature. Lilac grey.
Lilac grey.
Lilac grey symbolizes sophistication and calmness. Burnt orange.
Burnt orange.
Burnt orange signifies passion and determination. Wheat.
Wheat.
Wheat represents simplicity and groundedness. Black.
Black.
Black symbolizes power and elegance. Moss green.
Moss green.
Moss green evokes nature and tranquility. Storm grey.
Storm grey.
Storm grey represents resilience and strength. Forest green.
Forest green.
Forest green symbolizes growth and renewal. Rose gold.
Rose gold.
Rose gold symbolizes elegance and style. Blush pink.
Blush pink.
Blush pink conveys affection and gentleness.